Hello and welcome to the topic types of free morphemes. There are two types of free morphemes. The first one is lexical morphemes and the second one is functional morphemes. Lexical morphemes, they carry the content of messages we convey. They are generally nouns, adjectives and verbs. For example, boy, beautiful, write, book, nice, play, etc. In brief, what I mean to say is that lexical morphemes, they always carry the meaning. Move on to the next. Functional morphemes. They consist of functional words in the language such as conjunctions, prepositions, articles and pronouns. For example, he, but, to, from, the. In brief, what we have to know is that functional morphemes, they work as functional words. They are not filled with meanings, they are not pregnant with meanings, and they always help, or their meaning is expressed in connection with other words. That is why we call them functional morphemes. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.